Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 LAN wide connected but no internet access problem. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all going to your settings of your Windows. Go to your troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters, and after doing this that, click on a network adapter. After that, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click run as administrator. After opening the command, first of all type a command is ipconfig space /flash DNS. Press enter. After doing this type a command is netsh space winsock space reset. After doing this type a command is netsh space int space ip space reset and press enter. After doing this type exit and exit the command prompt, and after that restart your computer, and I am sure that after doing this your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a control panel and go to your control panel, and after doing this go to your network and internet, go to your network and sharing center, click on a change adapter settings, select the internet adapter which is used to connect your internet, right click on a properties, select the internet protocol version 4 and click on a properties. So I used this network adapter. So right click, go to your properties, click on it, click on properties, and after doing this select use the following DNS addresses, type 8.8.8.8 and alternative DNS is 8.8.4.4 and click on OK and OK close it. After doing this I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a device manager, open device manager, and after that select the network adapter, select the internet adapters, click on update driver, click search automated from drivers, and after that close it. After doing this I hope your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.